Hello and welcome to KH Motorcycles. My name's Steve and today I'm looking around the Talaria Sting R Pro. So obviously there have been many variants of the Sting. You had the standard Sting, the Road Legal, and then went to the R, and now we've got the R Pro, which is kind of the top of the range of the Sting range. So this bike is about 17 brake horsepower, give or take. It's kind of the middle ground of the range now. So you've got the X3, which is your lower range, which is 2,500 watt kind of bike. Then you've got the Sting R Pro and then the Komodo, which again, you can look at them both in other videos. So coming in on this bike, you've got an adjustable rear shock, you've got the adjustable front forks, got the regen still on this, and then again your different power modes, which I'll show you in just a second. Being the Sting R Pro, it does come with a graphics kit, as where the X3 and the Komodo just come black. This you can either have it in the one here, which is the grey and blue, or there's a grey and red as well. So yeah, let's have a look at the dash. So similar on this as it is to the Komodo as well. So you press the brake in and then press your start button, then comes up there. So you've got hyper mode, eco and sport. So again, the same sort of mode you've got on the Komodo, but obviously this is a bit more down on power, as where that one is under the top of the range that is a little bit nuts. So again, with this one, you've got all your adjustments in here. So you can change it to miles an hour, kilometre, do your wheel size, your gear ratios, everything like that. This one, compared to the Komodo, has got the front headlight on it, which you can see just around there. So it has got an LED unit on the front of this. So if you are riding, it's a little bit dark, you have got a light unit to show you. Again, with both bikes, they do come with a horn as well for safety reasons. So if you are down like a kind of bridleway, which you're legally allowed on, if you are allowed on it, sorry, you have got your horn just to let people know that you are there. So that's it from me. These bikes are off of a order only basis, and they will not be kept in stock. So if you are wanting one, please do give us a call. As long as payment is made beforehand, we can order you one in. Turnaround isn't too long at the moment, but obviously we can discuss order information, delivery times, stuff like that when you place your order. So thanks for watching, and I hope to speak to you soon.